Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find archived chats on Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, make sure that you updated the latest version of Messenger. If you can't update, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version. Now continue the video. You will see the option menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will see the option archive. Tap on it and you can see the archived chats. You can just simply select the chat that you want to unarchive. So you can now swipe left at the chat, and here you will find the option unarchive. Tap on it, and this is the way you can unarchive chats on Messenger, or you can see the archive chats. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.